How to enable pop-ups in Google Chrome browser so you don't miss any important content. In this quick tutorial, I will show you a step-by-step process so you can do it. Let's start. First, open your Chrome browser. Then at the top right corner, you will see the three dot option. Just click on three dot option. Now from the menu, you see the setting option. Click on settings. Now at the top, you will see the search settings. Type pop in the search bar. After searching, you will see the site setting option. Just click on site settings. Now scroll down a little bit and you will see the pop-ups and redirect option. Now from default behavior option, you can see the two options. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects, or don't allow sites to send pop-up or redirects. Just click on the first option so that you can enable the pop-ups, or you can use the customized behavior. Now here you can add the website you want to get the pop-ups or redirects. You can add those websites from add button. If you want to disallow or disable some sites from sending the pop-ups, you can add those from not allowed option by entering their URLs. Your changes will save automatically and pop-ups will now be enabled based on your preferences. And that's it. You have enabled pop-ups in Google Chrome. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.